Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I still believe that this is a big uptrend for the A. I think this is very clearly three ways down for a B, and I think this is a big uptrend for a C. We got a nice impulsive move down. We got a break of structure. I think we have the end of an ABC correction. If that is true, that means we are now back into a downtrend, which I believe will eventually go all the way down and take out those lows, probably at least down to the $70 area. So let's head down to the weekly, which is where I prefer to switch back to the dollar index. On the weekly time frame is where you can see what I think is a downtrend for a 1. I think this is an ABC. I think it's a 2. And I think it's also very clear that we've ended a correction and that we are now going down most likely for a wave 3. Now, if this is a wave 3, then it will be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend, and it does mean that we definitely want to start looking for shorts on shorter time frames. So let's take a look at that on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, first of all, you can see this big downtrend, which I think is a 1. Then you can see this uptrend, I believe is an A, 3 waves down for an A, B, C, or B, and then an uptrend for a C. Now, this is a lower high than the wave A, but I call that an irregular ABC. I think that this is the end of an ABC of 2, and I believe that we are back down into a downtrend for most likely a wave 3. Now, I do have my Fibonacci levels here just in case it does decide to make a big bounce at one of these levels and it does end up being a correction to the uptrend. But at this stage, it does look like we already have the end of a correction and that we are back into the downtrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think it's very clear that this is a downtrend, most likely a 1. I think this is an A. I think this is very clearly 3 waves down for a B. And even though this is a lower high also, I think that's an ABC of 2. I think the fact that it made a lower high for the wave C of 2 just proves that the downtrend is very strong. I think that this is more likely to just keep on trending down. I'm sure it's going to have some bounces at these fib levels, but I think those are just going to be pullback corrections to the downtrend, and I believe that we are now in a wave 3 and it will just keep on trending down. So, heading down to the 1 hour time frame, that definitely tells me that I want to be looking for shorts in a downtrend. You can see this last pullback was almost a perfect three-way pattern. Then we had a smaller ABC right there. Both of them made almost perfect three-way patterns. I believe this is a 1, I believe this is an ABC of 2, and I believe we're in a wave 3, which has a long ways to go to the downside. So if it does make another pullback, then that is exactly what I'm looking for another opportunity to go short for the continuation of what I think is a wave 3 on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.